How do you remove the watermark from unactivated Windows? Imagine turning on your computer and seeing that big message saying, "Activate Windows" right on your desktop. It can be distracting, especially if you're just testing or troubleshooting. But what options do you have to hide or remove that watermark without activating Windows? Let's explore the facts and see what works and what doesn't. First, it's important to understand why that watermark appears. Windows shows it when the system isn't activated with a valid product key or digital license. Activation confirms your copy is genuine and unlocks all features. Without it, some personalization options are limited, and the watermark stays visible as a reminder. One way to try and remove the watermark is to use the Windows Activation Troubleshooter. You can find it in Settings under System, then Activation. Sometimes, if the issue is a licensing glitch or connectivity problem, running this tool can fix the activation status and hide the watermark temporarily. But if your Windows isn't activated, it might not resolve the issue fully. Another method involves using Windows PowerShell. If you open PowerShell with administrator rights and type the command slmgr renew, it attempts to refresh your license status. This might make the watermark disappear for a little while, but it doesn't activate Windows if you don't have a valid product key. Advanced users can try editing the Windows registry. This involves going to the registry editor and changing the value of Paint Desktop version from 1 to 0 under HKeyCurrentuser plus Control Panel plus Desktop. Doing this disables the display of the watermark. However, editing the registry can be risky. If you make a mistake, it could affect your system's stability. Only attempt this if you're comfortable with registry changes. You can also run the command bcdedit set test signing off in an administrator command prompt. This removes certain test mode watermarks but won't get rid of the activation reminder. Keep in mind, this command requires secure boot to be disabled and is not related to activation status. Some third-party tools claim to remove the watermark without activation. These tools often modify system files or settings, but they can pose security risks. Plus, using them might violate Microsoft's licensing terms, which could lead to legal issues or system instability. The most reliable and legal way to permanently remove the Activate Windows watermark is to activate Windows with a valid product key or digital license. This ensures full access to all features and keeps your system compliant with licensing rules. If you're just testing or troubleshooting, the Registry Edit or PowerShell commands can temporarily hide the watermark, but they don't replace proper activation. Remember, using unofficial methods to bypass activation can cause problems down the line. It's always best to purchase a genuine license if you want to enjoy Windows fully and without interruptions. Knowing these options helps you understand your system better and make informed decisions about activation and licensing.